A judge has denied a motion to dismiss the attempted murder indictment against Maui anesthesiologist Gerhard Koenig, clearing the way to trial. Koenig is accused of trying to kill his wife by pushing her off a cliff and attacking her with a rock and a syringe while hiking near the Pali Lookout last March. Jill Kuramoto has more.
Gerhard Koenig flashed a smile and a shaka as he walked into court today, while his attorney argued prosecutors misled the grand jury and failed to present what the defense calls clearly exculpatory medical evidence about injuries suffered by Koenig's wife, Ariel Koenig.
Two doctors that saw the complainant in the hospital, both of them filled out an HPD form and said that her injuries did not create a substantial risk of death and didn't even rise to the level under the law of serious bodily injury.
The defense argues this evidence undermines an intent to kill, a required element for attempted murder. They also pointed out the grand jury was not told that syringes were never found, which is something Ariel Koenig claimed she was attacked with. And they challenged testimony relayed by a detective who spoke with Koenig's son, saying jurors were left with the impression Koenig confessed in a phone call to trying to kill his wife by pushing her off a cliff, when the son later clarified he had assumed that.
The grand jury was clearly misled and left with the impression that he loosely said he tried to push her off the cliff, when Emil made it clear that was his assumption. That's not something that Dr. Koenig said to him.
But prosecutors countered, saying the legal standard is strict, that evidence presented has to clearly show the defendant didn't commit the crime, not just suggest it or possibly help the defense. They also argued common sense shows blows to the head with a rock can be fatal, and that the recorded testimony was used only because Koenig's son was out of state.
There is case law that actually supports and says that the prosecution should not be required to present all potentially exculpatory evidence, because that's not the purpose of a grand jury proceeding. That's the purpose of a trial.
The judge agreed, ruling the grand jury was not misled nor deceived, and denied the motion. Today's ruling now means jurors will decide Gerhard Koenig's fate. Jury selection is scheduled to begin March 11th. Reporting from Circuit Court, Jill Kuramoto, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.